Hey there, my name is Jeff King, and I want to be your content coach. And the reason why is I want to give back because of the success that I've had on this platform. I walked away from a successful career in Silicon Valley as a C-level exec for a tech industry business over there, and I did it because I wanted to have control of my own future. I wanted to have time with my family, and I wanted to build success for myself rather than for somebody else. And I did that with my main channel, the Den of Tools. And it's not the biggest channel out there. We're not millions and millions of subscribers, but I'll tell you this. I am more successful now than I ever have been in my life, and it's because of the content and the community that I've grown over there, and I want to help do the same for you, whether you want to be a content creator yourself, or maybe you're a business trying to figure out how to access social media to develop content that will help give you success on social media and at your business as well. We can do both because I'm not just a content creator. I've been a business owner. I've been a business executive. I know all aspects of it. I've even worked in public relations and marketing. Not proud of it, but I did it. Anyway, I've been doing this for years, and when I decided that I wanted to walk away from Silicon Valley, I took my years of professional experience and applied it to this business. And I'll be honest, I probably could have even done more, but I decided that I didn't want to work a 40-hour week, much less the 70-hour weeks that I was working in Silicon Valley. I wanted to spend time with my young kids who were growing and soon going to be leaving the house. I thought that time was precious, and I want for you to have that same kind of level of success. We're living in an amazing age where the gatekeepers are dying and people are being allowed to access community themselves. In fact, you'll notice I never use a script. I kind of stutter a little bit. I go all over the place. I have a lot in here, 55 years of experience. I started in the trades, worked my way up into tech, worked my way into management. As I said, I've done marketing, I've done business, I've bought and sold businesses. And this was supposed to be my retirement, and I found so much here. And I've been so excited about it that I'm at that point where I constantly have to tell everybody. And most people, it's sad to say there's a lot of people out there who have the skills to be successful on YouTube, and they just won't do it. You have to start making the content. You have to start uploading. And I want to help you do that. I'm going to help you find the gear that you need, the gear that you don't need. We're going to help you direct you to the content you want, whether you're trying to do vlogging, which, by the way, is a hard way to go if you want to do it. Whether you want to do product reviews, which is what I do on the channel, whether you're trying to get, drive customers to your business, which is another great way. And we have some excellent examples at the right way to do that and the wrong way to do that here on YouTube. So I hope you subscribe, come back for more, because my mission here is to give back to the community and support others in growing in the way that when I started, there just was not that kind of support. So I hope you'll join me here on this. Again, if you ever have any questions or anything, always put it down in the comments. We always love to interact with our audience and try and help as best we can. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.